everyone, it's Jill Chodak. I'm a clinical dietitian at the Center for Community Health and Prevention with UR Medicine, as you can see. And it's Women's Health Month, and it's obviously a really important topic right now, and for me. And so I thought, in an effort to kind of focus on heart health, right, which is very important for us women, as heart disease is one of the leading causes of death for us, I wanted to focus on doing the balanced plate. It's something that I've talked about in the past if you've watched, but it's also something that I love to talk about, and it's a practical way to integrate high fiber foods into your eating pattern and kind of a Mediterranean style eating pattern, while simultaneously decreasing the saturated fats that can increase your bad cholesterol. So we're gonna try and do that today, and we're gonna be doing it with balanced plate and a pinch. So I'm gonna do a spin on a salad, right? Salads can be boring. We're gonna liven up a salad. I'm a chicken wing girl because I am from Buffalo, and so this is my version of like a 5-minute kind of buffalo chicken salad. I'm gonna use fake meat. I'm gonna use the Impossible chicken nuggets. So follow along, hope you enjoy.